about killed you.
Jack didn't.
All right, today we do that. A little more work on the Jeep. All right, we're building these front fenders. You gotta have an inch wide piece of this, 17 inches long. What we're gonna do is cut it right off of there. That'll make both sides.
Tis cut.
Okay, there's those pieces. Well, that should mostly bolt on there. Guess that's gonna work. Let's see. And here it goes. Perfect. Alright, now we'll cut a piece of pipe. Roughly, I'm gonna cut 50 inches.
Oh yeah, should look nice. Then are you gonna bend another piece that goes to there?
Or just bend one that comes off of right here, out 6 inches, back down and bends back in. Either gonna be right or wrong. Okay, that's tight. We got it right. We did make it. I cut 3 or 4 extra inches just because I think we're gonna build another one just like it real quick. And then we'll have the other side built too. That's gonna be perfection. I gotta build that plate right there. And then I can start shortening stuff. Yeah, I gotta build that first. Because we gotta have to cut that on an angle to get it to fit to that. And then I think we're gonna build a piece that comes off the bottom of here and bends up and ties into that. It's all built in my brain, I just gotta do it now. Marker. Where the crap did I just put it? Wherever the tape measure is, it's probably right by it. It's in my back pocket. That's where it was the whole time. That one looks a little long.
That looks better.
So we held a straight edge up and marked it. Those are the angles we gotta cut to get it right where we need it. Trying to decide how to cut that angle.
Grinder.
Maybe a grinder machine. I think you're onto something. One down. Cool. Well, there's that. Got to build the front pieces now. Now, we'll go out here and trace the bolt pattern that we need, and then we'll get them out, hold them on, tack weld some stuff together. We got the old fenders out here. All right, so we got these old fenders that are gonna have the mounting tabs that we need. So, there's one. Alright. We'll go drill those and bolt them on. Fits. I guess if you hit it hard enough with the rattle gun, anything will fit. I like it.
I do too.
Not sure we're going to be able to do this like it needs done, because we got pretty severe angle going on here. Where's my crescent wrench? Where'd it run off to? Yep. See anything wrong with that?
Nope.
Should be exact. It's all the pipe we got left, so we couldn't get it. We don't have enough to.
We can probably get half of it.
Yeah, we don't have enough to get in. We're
It's
done.
on a halt.
We are done as far as we can do right now. All right, so today, well tonight, we're gonna finish these bad boys. So Dar's Jeep originally had 6-inch fender flares on it, and he wanted to stay with them. So we're gonna come back here a little ways, come out 6 inches, like so. Probably on a little bit of an angle, like that. Back to there, down there, and into there. So now I just gotta bend it, and we'll get her done. I'm gonna take my coat off. That fire's doing its job. Let's bend her. We're basically just filling the first one out. We'll see what we like for angle. We'll bend the next one the same. Someone's calling my phone. Hello. All right, Matt interrupted. He had to tell me about his Corvair. He took it for his first test drive, and he said it was a success. Yep, there it is. He's driving it. We're gonna try that and just take a little peek at it. Let me do a little marking here. So I go right there. Okay. Says in the fine print, this is gonna work. Do you believe the fine print, Land?
Sort of.
Level. Should bend where... That where we want? You almost let me ruin this. It needs to rotate. We almost screwed this up. We were this close. We almost had a catastrophic failure. Now, we're back. All right, we're locked again. Turn it on. Okay, that says 90. I love it. Okay, let's go to 40. 40's not enough. Let's try 45. Dude, 45's like primo. You didn't even know that we were that good, did you? So we're either gonna make something that's really cool and works good, or we're gonna have to get a new piece. Did all that, didn't have it in the right spot. Pretty dang good. What I'm gonna do is measure out 6 inches from that and notch that. Okay, that'll work. Okay, I'll notch these suckers and we'll see what we can do. I'm in the market for a new notcher. This one, it's been good for a long time, but
that looks pretty dang good.
all right, we'll notch this side now. Is that your mom?
Possibly.
Dinner's ready, she says.
Gotta straighten it out.
I don't think there's any way to straighten this. It's pretty stout. It's pretty thick pipe. I don't think it's gonna happen. What happened? I'm way tougher than I thought I was. Sweet, let's tack this sucker on there real quick. And then we'll go eat. I think that's gonna work. And I'll build one just like it for the other side. And
Your hat's
fender, and then we'll...
screwed up.
My hat's not screwed up, it's just not right. Alright, let's go eat dinner.
What did we get today?
We got some mail today from Michael Snavely. He sent us some welding parts. Said he had them laying around, wasn't going to use them. We will.
Yeah, we will. Thanks.
These will find their way onto
Michael.
onto my rock crawler. And we got some more goodness.
Oh, yeah.
You guys say I'm getting fat, and then you go ahead and send all this to us. Which I love. I'm going to eat it.
Keep doing it.
Yep. And this one came from...
Another Mike. Mike Neagley.
Mike Neagley. Yeah, they came. He hooked us up.
Thanks, Mike. The
Thanks.
Mike showed up
Yeah,
today.
Mike's hooked us up today. That's a big angle we got going down here. Alright, we'll grind this. We should fit. My Dar's building hard side stuff. Getting all that cut out. Get that notch to fit a little better. I could about deal with that. Last piece of the puzzle. There's your fender. Now we just gotta skin it. Alright, stayed up late. And I got front fenders pretty much where I want them. Got cardboard cutouts to finish skinning them. They're coming along. We'll get them done today. So we got fender skinned. That one, we're working on this one. Dar's got it all cut out. I just got to put it on. And then we got to cut this piece out. And the fenders are done. We'll move on to something else. You been out jeeping anywhere lately?
West Rim the other day.
Yeah. I haven't done anything lately, just work. I think that'll be fine. I can make that work. Draw them out and we'll cut them.
I'll get them.
Be good enough. Looks like that's the right gap.
We forgot to put the hardener in there. So we run up the store and mixed up another 2 quarts and put the hardener in, painted it on. He says, if it's all on the floor in the morning, I'll help you paint it again.
Oh, dear. Front fenders are done. Let's see if we can figure this out here. It's always the hardest part, figuring out where the center of the bend's gonna go. So I need to come 4 inches, make a mark. I really can't see why that's not perfect. Let's screw up some tube. We haven't ruined any yet. So
Put them on the table.
Pretty close where it needs to be. Now to make it fit. I don't know exactly how to cut this.
Will Steel Max do it? We cut it straight enough with it.
I don't know what that is.
I've got one. It's like a skill saw, but it cuts steel.
Yeah, that'll work perfect to cut that. Anyone know where the hair's the creeper? Well, that's barely.
Hitting right there, but it won't. We'll be clear up on top.
Oh yeah. There it is. We can probably cut it with plasma. Okay, we should be able.
Did we help
Let's
pack
put it on the other side. I'd like to. If we can just set this on and trace it,
That'd be awesome.
what do you think?
I think it needs to go up.
Looks like it's
It's different.
a little bit different.
Little, not much, really.
So with our
We'll repeat. Oh, about killed you.
that jack didn't move.
This will all get welded, so there won't need to be. And then there's going to be bolts here, right? So we should be good.
And also the door bolt.
Oh, we got to cut that out still.
Oh, yeah.
Good call, Land. Saved by Lando again. All right, so today we got fenders all finished, hard sides on it. This Jeep's getting closer to being done. We're winning this battle.